Your oil's dirty or low. You want to change it, but you don't know how. First, you're going to start by getting yourself a Mercury Mountaineer.
The next thing you want to do is lift up your Mercury Mountaineer. Going up.
Next thing we're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your oil caddy positioned right underneath the oil pan bolt.
You will need a size 16 ratchet for this specific vehicle, and then these pliers for the oil filter.
Make sure we can hear.
Whip. You also want to line up the oil caddy positioned a little bit further in case it shoots farther out.
Make sure to clean the bolt after you take it out.
For this specific car, the drain plug is over here and the filter is over here, so you should grab another small device to start to catch the oil while you move your caddy over to where you're going to need it for when you do the oil filter. Now that you've got your oil caddy moved under the oil filter, you're going to take your pliers for the oil filter. Don't start it.
I'll show you what I have to do sometimes because I have big fingers.
It's probably not going to be laminated.
Usually gets all splashed out of the film, all gets around it. Yep. That's what they start doing.
So leaky.
After you've drained your oil, you're going to need to get yourself a oil filter and about 5 liters of 5W30, especially.
Next you want to do is get a little bit of oil around the outside to make sure it's all good and lubed up. So you can just use the old oil for this. Just go like that, and then just use your finger to move it around. Get it all on there. And once you have it all good and lubed up, you can just go right up. Alright, and then you just turn it right back on where it was.
Let's take one more look at the bolt. Just in case. I want that.
Now for your oil filter, there isn't a specific torque spec, you just torque it down by hand. And once it's nice and snug, you're good to go.
Next, you want to go to Shop Key or your driver's manual to find the torque spec for the oil drain plug.
Next, you got to use copper sealant on the drain plug bolt.
After your copper sealant dries, you're going to want to just wipe down where your oil bolt is going to go, and then just go on and just start putting it in. Next, you're going to want to put your car back down on the ground so that you can fill up the oil. Going up, going down.
You're going to need 5 quarts of 5WD-30 for this car.